Alright, what we're going to do here is change out the battery on this is for a Lexus ISF 2011. You're going to change out the battery. What you want to do first is pull out the key. Then there's a little groove right here. And that groove fits perfect for the key. You just go ahead, twist that. This bad boy is going to open up just like that. In case this stuff comes out, it all comes out really easily. Then it just goes back in real simply. Just like that. Then your rubber boot is going to go right back inside like that. The actual battery is going to be on the back side of the little electronic switchboard. Right here. It's going to be a 1632. I actually went to Walmart first and they didn't have it, so I just went to Napa and got the 1632. They were out of stock over at Walmart. It would have been $1 cheaper. So go ahead and pop this guy out. Pops right out. Go ahead and open up your new battery. This guy's going to pop right back in. Remember, CR1632 the one you need. Go ahead and put the positive side down over here against the back plate. Make sure that your rubber boot's in there. And go ahead and make sure it fits firm in the back. Now you got your new battery inside of your Lexus key fob.